Welcome. In this short video, I'd like to explain to you some of the best practices in using the CryoLab aesthetics unit. You've already set the unit up, so we're going to start with the operation itself. Let's do a quick review of the buttons on the front. So you know you have your power on and off, a reset, which can be used in the middle of a treatment and you need to stop. You would hit the reset. You have a wand light, which again, you saw it go on over here next to me. You have the indicator for how much gas is in the cylinder. And again, each cylinder has roughly 90 minutes of freezing time. So that's a lot of 5 or 10 second treatments. And then finally, the most important that you have to set before any treatment is whether you're going to use 5 or 10 seconds. So let's just set it for 10 seconds and now go to the next part, which is actually how to do a treatment. Now, the reason CryoLab Aesthetics was developed is because we know in aesthetics medicine that there are lesions that are superficial, that are very shallow, and we can't really treat them with other modalities easily. So acids, needling, or lasers may require multiple treatments, are super expensive, or just don't work. And where CryoLab Aesthetics comes in with the use of carbon dioxide it's a very shallow freeze with the abrasion that comes from using carbon dioxide. To operate, the wand itself has one button, which I press, and immediately gas begins to dispense. I would keep the tip of the wand about half a millimeter, a millimeter, which is about the thickness of a nickel, away from the surface of the skin. And for a single spot, I would just keep it right above the area, moving it around, starting in the middle, till I make sure the edges are covered with a little bit of overlap of healthy skin. On a larger lesion, think of it like slices of pizza that are being treated one at a time. So I would treat for 10 seconds in one area, and then I would move to the area next to it and begin to do the treatments until I got completely around the entire lesion to be targeted. When I'm done, there's really little to do except replace the wand unit itself. There's no cleaning, there's no other maintenance required. I can leave the CryoLab unit turned on, or I can turn it off and store it at this point. Thank you.